Now, President Trump is expected to meet with his cabinet today, one day after he hit the pause button on most of his global tariffs, sending the markets soaring while hitting China even harder.
The Dow surged nearly 3,000 points yesterday. The S&P climbing 474. The Nasdaq jumping more than 1,800 points. Christina Fan joins us live from Lower Manhattan with more on what we can expect on the street today. Christina?
Well, Chris and Mary, investors are bracing for another head-spinning day on Wall Street as President Trump's track record of on-again, off-again tariffs continue. A look at pre-market data for all three major U.S. indexes this morning shows that all three are down, a sharp contrast to Wednesday's closing bell, which saw stocks roaring back following the White House's decision to place a 90-day pause on steep reciprocal tariffs for all nations except China. That means for the next 3 months, most countries will endure a previously imposed 10% tariff on their imports. But Beijing, who hit back with 84% tariffs, had their penalties increased to 125%. The Trump administration has signaled that it will use this time to negotiate and stated that more than 70 countries want to engage in trade talks with the U.S. But Democrats are blasting the president's sudden turnaround.
I have never seen such a chaotic administration action when it comes to something so vital and that affects everybody everywhere.
Somebody had to do what we did, and I did a 90-day pause for the people that didn't retaliate, because I told them if you retaliate, we're going to double it.
News of the sudden pause sent the S&P 500 up by 474 points, or 9.5%, the biggest one-day increase since October 2008. The European Union, meanwhile, voted yesterday to approve retaliatory tariffs on $23 billion worth of U.S. goods. The EU's tariffs on the U.S. will take effect in 3 separate stages, with the first phase set to roll out on April 15th. Reporting live from Wall Street, Christina Fan, CBS News, New York.
Christina, thank you.